Okay, so in this session, I'm going to cover WebTable handling, that how to handle WebTable and how to print the values from different rows and columns. Especially, it's a very little complex scenario that you have to check the WebTable because the WebTable is always dynamic in nature, and you have to validate that the content which are available inside the WebTable and everything. So if you see the web table structure like this, so this is the HTML table content. Sometimes we see that okay, number of columns. So columns are most of the time constant. Like either you have 3 column, 4 or 5, 6 columns, but number of rows are dynamic. Sometimes you are getting 5 rows, you're getting 10 rows, 20, 100 rows, like this. And let's see this guy. Let's see Island Trading. Island Trading is coming on, let's see, on fourth row or fifth row. Sometimes coming on first row, or maybe second row or third row or fourth row. That is also so dynamic in nature. So what I want that okay, I want to print all the values from company, all the values from contact, and all the values from country. So how to do that? Because we don't have any direct method which are available, direct methods which are available in Selenium WebDriver. It does not provide any method to handle web tables. So you have to use some tricks with the help of xpath, and then you have to define a pattern, and then you can do that. So let's do it. Okay. So let me create a class. It's very important interview question, as well as in your every project, most of the applications, all the enterprise level application, you will find web tables over there. And let me create a class web table handle. Select the main method and click on finish. Let me start the Chrome. Simple Chrome driver, and then we will launch driver.get with this guy, this URL. Okay. Now what I have to do, guys, is that now see it very carefully. I'll just inspect this because I have to start from here like this, right? So let's capture the first column, company, and okay, all these things. So let's see, this is the guy, Alfred's future Kiste. So I'll spy this, and then I'll see that okay, TD is available and Alfred something is written over here, and then I right click on and then copy xpath, and then let's paste it over here. Same thing for this guy also, Centro, copy xpath and paste it over here. Same thing for third guy, earns handle, and copy xpath and paste it over here. And I'll take this guy as well, copy xpath and then paste it over here. So you will see that there is a pattern that id equal to customers is common, okay, for all the elements, for all these 4-5 elements, id equal to customers is common. Then go to tbody, tr2 and td1. So in according to html doc, tr means total number of, tr means tr represents html tag as a row, and td means column. So tr means row and td means column. Always remember this thing. And we will see that td1, 1 means first column, td means column, column number 1 is constant, 1 1 1 1, and these things are also constant. But this tr2, tr3, tr4, 5, 6, 7, if there are 100 rows, it will start from tr2 because actual data is coming from tr2, right? So the data is coming from tr2 to tr7, 2 to 7, and this is constant, 2 3 4 5 6 7, like this. mean, this is sorry, this is variable. Column is constant, and this is so variable that okay, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, and seventh row, like this, right? So there is a pattern we found that this pattern is available over here. So what exactly I'll do, I'll break this pattern and I'll use the same pattern, okay, to get the values. So let's see, this is a pattern. So I'll break this pattern, this xpath pattern, into two parts. So string, let's see, before xpath is equal to this from here to here. I'll avoid this variable part because this 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. And then let's use this xpath. And then we have a string after xpath is equal to, and then I'll take it from here to here. Okay. So this is a before xpath and after xpath, and I'm excluding this 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. Instead of this, can I provide a loop here? Yes. I equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'll write a for loop for int I equal to, I know I have to start from 2 because my actual data is coming from second row. I less than equal to 7 because I know that the last row is tr7. tr7. We will replace this 7 also later, but I less than equal to 7. Let's see, I have written right, and then I plus plus. I less than equal to 7, and then I plus plus. Increase the value of I by 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 7. And then I'll create my actual xpath. The main xpath is like this, is equal to before xpath plus I plus after xpath. Now see, what is my before xpath? This is my before xpath. I equal to 2. I equal to 2. This I will become 2. And then after xpath, fine. Next time I equal to 3. So tr3 and tr4 like this, tr7 like this. Right? And then on the basis of that, I'll create my web element. So I'll write driver dot find element by dot xpath. And what your xpath? This is my xpath. Right? Let's give some proper name. Actual xpath. And this actual xpath I'll be using over here. Please find the element on the basis of that. And then it will return one web element. Let's see, element is equal to this. And this particular web element we will import from Selenium. And then simple system.out.println element dot get text method I'll be using so that I can get the text. So first time what will happen, I equal to 2, before xpath is this, it will be appended with I equal to 2, appended with 2, and then after xpath, so it will represent this, and what exactly the value is available over here, I'll just get the text of that. So dot get text will take this Alfred, this guy. Then I plus plus, I equal to 3 now, 3 less than equal to 7, it will take before xpath 3, and after xpath it will take this guy. And then get text, it will take this get text method like this, right? So from a td1 I'm taking this thing. So let's run it, let's see what is happening. So it's launching the browser, and let's see, can you see that all the values are printing from Alfred's to Magazine, this guy, Magazine. So I'm printing all the values of this, right? And then let's say you are looking for the company information about Island Trading is available or not in my web table. So simple, I'll provide the for, if condition over here. that if whatever this element dot get text dot equals this guy, then system dot out dot println, simple, I'll be using element company name element dot get text is found, and then the moment it finds this island trading, I'll break the loop, because I don't want, because my target is just to find island trading is available or not. Either it's available on third position, fourth position, sixth position, seventh position, it doesn't matter, right? So immediately the moment it finds, immediately break the loop. So let's run it again. See, island trading, the moment it finds, it's saying company name island trading is found. Simple. So first it's checked first, second and third, and on fourth position it found island trading, and immediately it will say island trading is found. Island trading is available on fourth position. And you can print like this: island trading is found at position plus I. So I is the exact position. Let's see. Sorry. See, island trading is found at position number 5. You will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can avoid this company. So island trading is actually available on position number 4. So what I'll do, I'll simple write found at I minus 1, like this, right? Because I have to exclude company also, the column. So company name island trading is found at 4th position, which is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. So immediately you can try like this, right? So this is how we handle WebTable. Now similarly, let me take some information about contact. So let's see, contact is available. This Maria address is available over here. So I'll copy the xpath and I'll see the pattern. Let's see, this is for the same thing. Customer tr body tr2, but td1 means first column, now td2 is second column. So again I found a pattern, right? So how exactly the same? My before xpath will remain same here to here, but after xpath I just need to change. So what I'm doing, let's see, I'm writing a string after xpath for contact. I'll write like this, contact, and I'll start my for loop like this. Okay, and this is after xpath. Okay, after xpath, and the value of after xpath is this td2, right? And before xpath will remain same, so I'm not going to change this. And before xpath I equal to 2, and after xpath is this, it will be appended with td2. And let me remove the if condition. Let me print the values first. Okay, so let me segregate this output and then let's run it. See, it's printing Maria address to this Giovanni Rovelli. Maria address to Giovanni. Same thing for country. So let's start with country as well. So I'll take this. Country is available on TD3, right? Country should be available at TD3, means third column. TD3. So this is for country. Right, and let's run it. For country also it's printing a lot. See, Germany to Italy. Germany to Italy is printing. Okay, the country also immediately it's getting printed. Right? But now the problem here is that I equal to 7. Tomorrow let's see 10 rows come. 10 rows are coming. So you are not going to come over here and make it 10. You never know that, because the number of rows are so dynamic in nature. Sometimes it's giving 10 or 5 or 7 rows or 15 rows. I'm just going to get the count of total number of rows. So how to get the count of total number of rows? It means how many TRs are available, right? So I can see that if you see under the T body, all the TRs are available. So this my, if you see, all the TRs are available like this. First row, second row, see, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth and seventh row. But this first row is available, which is representing company, contact and country, right? Which is representing this. So I don't want to take this TR. So because I have to start it from here, right? 2 to 7, and this is representing 7. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If tomorrow there are 100 rows, it will show 100 TRs over here. But my motto is I have to start from 2 to 7 or 2 to 100 or 2 to total number of rows. So what exactly I'll do, instead of writing 7 or 100, let's say tomorrow 500 rows are there, I have to, every time I have to change this code. This is hard coded value. 2 is not hard coded because I know my actual data will start from 2 always, second row always. So what I'm going to do, that I'll be using this concept driver dot find elements and then by dot xpath this. So one this table ID equal to customers. So instead of this star, I can write like this: a table having ID equal to customer, go to tbody and number of tr and capture it. Simple. And then it will return one list object, list of web element. Okay. And let's see, this is called rows is equal to this. A list, we have to import it from java.util. So driver.find elements, it's not driver.find element. Driver.find elements will, okay, return all the number of rows inside this rows. And then I'll get this count int row count is equal to rows dot size. And then I'll print on the console system.out.println total rows in WebTable row count. Okay, so let's run this first. Total number of rows, how exactly number of rows is showing. So total number of rows in WebTable 7, and actually 7 rows are there. So can I use this row count? Instead of 7, I'll be using this row count over here. Everywhere I'll be using, I have removed the hard coded value now. Row count like this, right? So now tomorrow, if 100 rows are there, it will take 100 rows, 10 rows, 15 rows, 1 row, doesn't matter. So now if you run this program, total number of rows in WebTable 7. This is for company name, this is for name, and this is for country. All the values are getting printed properly on the console. So whenever, guys, the concept here is whenever you have to, right, whenever you have to find, whenever you have to handle the web tables, you have to find a pattern. First find the pattern like this and see what exactly is the variable part. Because TD part is always constant. TD means column and TR means row. TD part is always constant and TR is always variable. You just need to break the XPath before XPath and after XPath and make it in a for loop, because I can see that this is a sequence like this, and then you can handle any kind of web table with the help of Selenium and XPath. Okay, so this is about web table handling. Same thing for columns. Let's do it. Okay, total number of columns and total number of total columns I just want to print that company, each and every column I want to verify. So how to do that? So let's see, handle web table columns, and first I'll check the pattern. So I'll inspect this company and then I'll see that okay, there is a pattern, copy xpath, okay, and contact also for this, copy xpath, okay, and this country also, copy xpath. Fine, so you can see that tr1 is constant, but tr1 tr1 tr1, because columns are always available on row number 1, and but this column is getting, okay, this th1 2 3 means this th is representing column now, one first column, second column, and third column. So I found there is a pattern that this thing is always same, only 1 2 3 variable, and this I have to append. So for column also, how exactly you will write? I'll write string column before xpath is equal to like this, right? And then let me change it to single quote, because in Java it will be single quote. And then string column after xpath is equal to, it will be like this. That's it, because 1 2 3, so tr, now we have to add 3 like this also, we have to take this also, tr1 like this, tr1 slash th till here, and then 1 we will exclude, and then this, because instead of 1 we will provide I for loop, right? And then we will take total number of th also, so the total number of columns, because tomorrow, right now we have 3 columns, tomorrow we might have 5 or 6 columns also, maybe they will add. So we have to get the total number of count also for columns. So we will be using the same concept, driver dot find, sorry, what happened? Oh, everything we are writing in out of the main method, sorry, over here. So driver dot find elements by dot xpath, and your xpath expression will be column before xpath plus what, plus I plus column after xpath, right? So this is my before xpath, column before xpath up to th, and then up to th, and instead of 1 I'm providing I. And what is your column after xpath? My column after xpath is this, that's only, that's it. And then I'll be using a for loop. Oh no, sorry, it will return one list object, list of web element, list of web element. Let's see, this is columns is equal to this, and then I'll print system.out.println, or I'll do one thing, that I'll store column count is equal to this list dot size, and then I'll print total number of columns are column count, column count. So let's see it's giving total number of columns or not. What is this? Dot find element by dot xpath. Oh, why are we using this? Sorry guys, right now we are not printing all the values. So by dot xpath, xpath expression will be this up to th. Okay, and then make it customized like this. So right now we are not using before xpath and after xpath. Before xpath, after xpath we will use when we have to print all the column values. Right now I'm just printing column count. So id customer tbody, go to tr1 first row and get all the th and store in this particular columns list, and then dot size, and then simple column count. Right, I'll repeat, I'm not using any before xpath and after xpath as of now, because first I'm getting the column count, that's it. And let's run this program and we'll see. So total number of columns are 3, which is absolutely fine. Now I'll be using my before xpath and after xpath inside the for loop. For loop int, let's see, I equal to, I have to start from 1, because th1 up to I less than what? I less than equal to, because I have to use equal to, I have to include 3 also. So column count, what is my column count? 3, and then I plus plus, and then simple, what I'm gonna do, simple, I'm gonna do this thing, driver dot find element by dot xpath, and what is my xpath? Column before xpath, column before xpath, right, plus I plus column after xpath, right, and then this will return one element, web element, element is equal to this, and then I'll print on the console. First I'll take a string like this, string, let's see, column text is equal to element dot get text, right, and then I'll print on the console system dot out dot println column values are, let's say I print like this, system dot out dot println column text. Okay, so let's run this again. See, total number of columns are 3. Column values are company, contact, and country. So let me print this thing outside of the for loop, because otherwise it's printing every time, it's printing column values. Now let's run it again. So it's launching the browser, and see total number of columns are 3. Column values are company, contact, and country. You can see company, contact, and country. If there are 10 columns are there, now it will print all the 10 column values over there. So this is how we are getting the column count, and we are printing all the columns, and then we can verify it later like this.